Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the softest, squishiest, and yummiest banana bread. It's really easy, so I'm going to make 2 batches today, but if you only want 1 loaf, just cut the recipe in half. In your mixer, throw in 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, as well as 1 cup of white sugar, and cream that together until it's smooth. Add in 4 room temperature eggs. Then add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and I like to add a splash of cake batter extract, but that's totally optional. Next, you're going to want some really ripe and soft bananas. I cut them in half. I added about 7 bananas in here, and they mix in so nice and smooth, just like that. The hack here is to wipe your loaf pan down with the butter paper. Now we're going to put in 3.5 cups of flour, but put them in small increments so your batter doesn't dry or clump up too fast. So I just sprinkle it in a little at a time, and this is the texture we're going for. It's nice and bouncy. So I have my 2 greased pans ready. I'm going to put the batter in evenly. Again, I'm making 2 batches. You can only make 1 if you want. Just cut the measurements in half. You can optionally add some walnuts. I added some cinnamon in it as well, because I'm a total slut for cinnamon. And then I used a toothpick or a knife just to kind of, make this little cute pattern here. And we're just gonna get ready to bake them at 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. And now you have the yummiest, softest, most delicious banana bread you'll ever have in your life. Thank me later. And if you do decide to make this, please tag me, and please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel.